Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In the current construction machinery market, the demand for used Volvo excavators is growing. More and more customers are turning to the used market. What is the reason behind this? Let's take a look. With the continuous innovation of technology, the used market is also developing rapidly. Used Volvo excavators are highly regarded for their performance and reliable certification, and in the used market, the used Volvo excavators with superior performance tend to attract more buyers and become popular choices. Many businesses and customers choose used equipment because they not only meet budgetary needs, but can also be put to use in a short period of time. The used Volvo excavators, with its efficient power system and advanced hydraulics, has become a used excavator equipment of interest. Compared to other brands, used Volvo excavators have a relatively low depreciation rate and retain their value better. This means that on the used market, Volvo equipment tends to maintain a higher resale value, making it a wise investment choice. It is crucial for distributors to choose certified used Volvo excavators and quantity. Certified equipment not only guarantees quality, but also enhances their sales reputation. We have strict quality assurance system, perfect management system and after-sales service. Moreover, we have a large number of machines in stock to ensure year-round supply. For some overseas customers, they maybe pay more attention to the working performance and brand reputation of the equipment, and hope that the used Volvo excavators they buy will perform well in operation and be able to undertake various construction tasks. Don't worry, we can provide you with all kinds of high-quality products under the business principle of quality first, reputation foremost. In a word, the market for used Volvo excavators is facing challenges and opportunities. Whether it is equipment manufacturers, suppliers, or construction organizations, it still maintains a strong appeal among customers due to its high quality and good reputation, despite increased competition in the market. Thank you for watching. We look forward to cooperating and communicating with you in the excavator industry. If you are interested in our content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more industry news. See you next time.